Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It usually depends to the place you're watching me from. On today's video is another beautiful video, guys. We are here at home. It's a Sunday, and this is the beautiful nature around our beautiful home here in Kenya, Africa. And I really thank God for the gift of life and for this amazing day again to just wake up and continue with my daily routine on how everything is. No resting. We have to proclaim and evangelize the work of Almighty God for this amazing day. I know it's a very nice weekend to you all, because with us it has been amazing since Friday. It was Mazingira Day, a day to all do what we call like total cleanness. From Friday, it was it was nationwide, because there was a lot of cleanliness in the city over here, so they changed it from Madaraka Day to Mazingira Day. Mazingira means environmental. Environmental. English is not on my side. Yeah, Mazingira means environment. So like here, somebody can say the Mazingira looks very nice, which means the environment looks so nice and green. So it was a total cleaning of the whole nation, all nationwide. And I thank God that our watermelon have started coming out nicely on the other end. It's only that now that rain is really coming down slowly by slowly. Rain is really disturbing us today, but I know as time goes by they'll be really doing well and very much great. I think even like today it will rain. Yeah, so we really depend over here in farming. We really depend on raining, despite that we are working on maybe machines pumping water from maybe the river or the borehole. Like right now I never farmed near the river. I farmed at home over here, so which means I'll be doing farming or pumping water from the borehole, just something like that. So this day today, it's another beautiful day. We'll be heading to the orphanage, and literally I received my wife Min Howie received what we call like a call from a friend, and the donor said, okay, today we want to be doing what we call like keep something for girls, because they're always there, and despite that there are many, and maybe Pastor Esther will not do what we call like maybe trying to boost her and trying to do what we call like help her where we can. So today we have some big surprise. I can call it maybe big surprise from USA or big surprise from maybe UK. It's all in the car, so we'll be heading there. Today being a Sunday, when my kids are not going to school, they have to tag along with us so that we can go there, and also the kids over there maybe at the orphanage, they cannot feel lonely. So they also see that there's some also kids at their age who are coming to say hello or hi to them, which is a very good thing. So we have been working there slowly by slowly, despite maybe some negativity from other people. But I always believe that every work has both positive and negative. And I always say, even this I commented on my video, that if I'm not doing a genuine work, kindly, it's a kind of request. You might say, hey Claude, that the work you are doing is just a shady work. Please step away from that orphanage, and I'll really respect that, and I'll just step away. But in other hand, is like, let us think about the kids who are there. Let us think about their hearts. Let's think about everything. Mama Esther has been struggling with them for a long time, and at least when this YouTube came, and I see most of our YouTubers have been going there, some with good intention, some with maybe their own interest. But I really appreciate each and every person who has been there, and who has been there not only for Pastor Esther, but has been there for the kids. And let's all work together. That's my good term, that let's support each other towards that project that has been there. For now it has come to a halt. We stopped because of financial status, and the one who was really sponsoring it towards it, who was helping, decided to say, okay, let me focus on one thing. Like she did what we call like bought mosquito nets on the previous video that we watched. She bought mosquito nets for the balance that we had, and we remained with the balance. She was like, okay, we can top up, maybe we see if we can fabricate even 4 or 5 beds, then we can keep on. And also the good news is that we are really working towards that. And the good news is, let's all, even if you have $10, please donate towards that. And the good news that I received is, please, if you are helping, help with one heart. So don't come again maybe online and threatening and maybe calling somebody a scammer or anybody. So if you are helping, please help with a genuine heart, and through that you can send it to any of your trusted maybe YouTuber or any of your trusted person, and it will be delivered. And the good news that I received is that there'll be a gatekeeper maybe when we come, because some people come and they threaten Pastor Esther. So the good news is that there'll be a watchman. In case of anything, you'll just sign down. And my prayer is, if you can get a very good watchman who can write down and can do what we call like can ask you maybe, okay, this is what you have brought, and this, okay, what is the intention towards this, and that will be very, very, very good. Because there's some people who maybe see maybe Claude Joseph going there and they think maybe Claude has his own interest towards that. No, with me, I'll just do a video like this, and in which sometimes I'll not be showing you kids from today henceforth. No kids that will be shown here. Maybe if I'll be showing you kids, maybe I'll be blurring, something like that, because I came to realize people sometimes might go and do some things on YouTube, and my videos can be pulled down. So through that, I'll be doing, if you send me, tell Claude, go count for me kids, that will be a no. Claude, go show me this kid, that will be a no. Because sometimes I came to realize people, when you do that, they download the video and they use it against maybe Pastor Esther, or maybe they use it against you, or against putting down that orphanage. So my humble plea is, sometimes when you send me, just believe what I'm telling you. If there are 50 kids that I've been told that they are there, that if there are 100 kids, please believe there are 100 kids, because that is a private home. It's a non-governmental, but the government always helps sometimes go put some people there and they leave them. So Pastor Esther, what she has is that all kids that are there belongs to the government. So some days when they grow up, when maybe they see themselves on the pictures, maybe some have different stories. Some maybe it's due to family issues. Some were left. Every kid there has his or her own story. So sometimes when they grow up, I don't want maybe when they'll be told, okay, this was your story, or this was you who was helping that place, and this is the evidence of that. So the kid might feel bad, and some days maybe, there we have doctors, we have who will be maybe become CEOs, maybe those will become pilots. There are a lot of hearts there. So sometimes when they'll be higher, and they'll be like, okay, this guy used to help us, but he used to take our pictures and this and this and use it on this other end. So let us sue him. So with me, I'm going to avoid that. So if you send me Claude, please go do this. That's what I'll be doing. And according to how everything is, the system nowadays has been changing. Yeah, so this is our beautiful, this is my grandma's clothes. They have been washed and then put this at the end. That's my grandma's house, my parents' house, of course my bulletproof house, and this is my young brother house, Mogendi. And let's proceed there and see what we'll be heading. We planted what we call like kales around here, and this is a pumpkin. For those who don't know, have never seen pumpkin, these are pumpkin, those are pumpkin leaves, and those are the pumpkin flowers. I planted here pomegranate. Imagine, guys, this place has been acting as a flower, as a nursery bed, this bucket. So I just did what you call like plucked a branch of a pomegranate. I've been watering it day and night, and you see it has really come out nicely. So this one, I'm planning to go plant it at our dreamland over there, where I'm planning to build our beautiful home, retire home. So this one, these flowers has been here. I removed them from Nepal. These are flowers that I came with from Nepal, and they're really amazingly, in Nepal, That's the Asian part of this world. The Asian part. They really love flowers. You know, you'll find at a house like this. Over here at the foundation, you'll find that they plant flowers, and every season they plant flowers according to the season. You'll find that there's a season when they'll plant only pink flowers, or there's a season where they'll mix pink, red. There's a season when they'll mix maybe yellow flowers. So every single day, and that's how it has been. Thank God that the trees that were hit by the hailstones or hailstorms, they have really gone back, and you can check on how everything is. That's our kitchen and everything. So guys, let's be heading to the orphanage, and we will be seeing what will be happening. Let's save the nation. It's on a Sunday, and I thank God at this tree. Look at it. Someone commented and said, Claude, that is a hibiscus flowers. Wow, nice. All right guys, let's head there. And this one looks like a Chinese flower. You know, most of the Chinese love these red flowers. All right guys, bye. See you at the orphanage. All right, this. Yeah, so we have this. There are sanitary pads for the girls, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one was for confirmation to see how they are in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say, count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good girl. Have a high five. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
We're supposed to be adding 2 more.
2 more.
Yeah, but maybe not sure if we're going to get the shops open today. But
Yes.
we'll try and see.
We're supposed to add 2 more. How many were you supposed to buy?
Around 7 with the budget. Around 7.
All right.
Not 8. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Introduce yourself and.
Then Howie. Yeah. That's my name. Sorry guys, it's so hot and I'm feeling like I'm a bit drained.
Yeah.
But yeah, we want to take this to the kids and see how much, if anyone misses, we'll still have to add more.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. This was a surprise from one of her friend, and also a subscriber to her. Said, okay, I want to send you, go buy the sanitary pads for the girls, and you have to take them.
Yeah.
All right, man. Peace. Thank you for your support, and I always say that much thanks to each and every subscriber and each and every donor who really feel like they can support and this. And also we lacked 2 bigger lights in which we have remained with these poles. Actually my intention is I don't want these poles to be over here in my home, because some days people might feel like I just took it from the orphanage. No, these ones belong to the orphanage, and that's why we want to paint them. And we look, if we get money, we can buy the maybe 600 watts too. Then they'll really save the orphanage. So we have remained with this one, and then I'll call the fabricator to come and finish that. So kindly, it's a kind of humble plea that we can finish with these 2 poles so that they cannot be here, you know. So, and also let's proceed with this. All right, literally guys, the car started some crazy stuff around, but we jump started. Hey, you untaka tuende? My daughter wants to go. Okay, mfunguli. Yeah, my daughter wants to go, but we were to go with my wife, but the kids started crying, Maria. But we have to. I want to do what you call, like, to take everything around here. So we couldn't have gone with the kid or Maria crying. So I have to go with Manu, Claude, and Melo, and baby Shan, you know. So let's our beautiful homestead, you know. All right guys, see you at the orphanage. So guys, we are heading. I'm here with Melo. Hi, say hi, Melo.
Hi guys.
Yes. So we are heading, and also I'm with Manu, Claude.
Yes. Hi guys.
Yes. Yeah. My daughter. Today they wanna go see how other kids live, and you know, if you want to live with kids, also teach them good way. So when sometimes they grow up, they'll be seeing their dad like, oh, our dad used to have a kind heart. He used to do this and this. So let's also take over from there and we see how things are moving on. So they always say also that spare the rod and spoil the child. So sometimes also the road is always by they go wrong. We tell them, hey, come on, man, whatever you're doing is not okay, you know. And also, you know, play without a break also makes Tom a dull boy. So you know, so sometimes, or we work without play. They always say play without work, or work without play. No, it's work without play makes Tom a dull boy. So this one, sometimes they should play. Shan, say hi. How are you? Okay. Let's go easy, and we see how things are moving on slowly by slowly. How are you feeling a children's home?
Fine.
Have you ever been to a children's home?
Yes.
Once or twice?
Once.
Okay. All right. So what was the experience? How was the experience? How did you feel?
Fine.
It was fun.
Yes.
Playing with the kids.
Yes.
All right. That's nice. And you, Shayan, have you ever been to a children's home? Huh? Manu, have you ever been to a children's home?
No, I haven't.
You haven't. So this is your first time. All right. Let's the village, guys. We are cruising here, so we are going to deliver some sanitary towels for the girls. Yeah, slowly by slowly, guys, we see how stuff's really. All right, guys, I just arrived and I found a very good news. The good news is our mosquito nets are here, and Mom did a very good job to put aeration. We call this aeration. Yeah. So this all way, guys, are the mosquito nets. So you know, when they are new, you don't have to put them direct. You have to put them here for almost 24 hours and under shade. And I love the way she did them, put under shade, and now the air is just pumping. And I love the fact that I never knew they are coming with this thing because I never opened one. So this ring, it's only cut kakamba kadogo. I'm telling her to cut a small kamba, and so to cut a small kamba, and just put up on it so that every bone. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Then put it in. So you have to put it out so that let the boys not swing with this one.
You can come and see what they're
doing.
They just everybody
Sometimes
holding the net.
To swim with this.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, but guys, I really love this. I think this now might be even the tablet. So what do you think about
Nice.
it? You're really much
Yeah, they look very nice.
And come along. Today, Mom is the.
And I'm asking.
Today, Mama is my
Camera lady.
Camera lady. So today we are here at also a great house.
For sure,
It's
yes.
drying up well.
Yeah.
So which means we'll be doing what we call like a paint.
Yeah.
Now it's good, Mom. With this, now the house is clean. Now here.
Yeah.
So we'll be putting what we call like water.
Yeah.
Wash this
Just
out.
down, yes.
Now the house look clean and
Yeah.
nice. Look
For
at
sure.
it, guys.
They forgotten to put stairs here.
Oh, stairs.
They could put stairs, yes.
Oh, we forgot about that now. Maybe because we forgot about that. But it can be created because I thought maybe the bed. But this is just an emergency door.
Yeah, it's an emergency.
So maybe I thought maybe this door would be somewhere else. But it's good to be here. Yeah, so when the beds will come, I think one day, because now even this door will be opening inner. So that if there's a bed here, there's another, you know, a bed will come from here up to here. Another bed here. Let's say another one here. And another one here. So there might be a space. So here can take, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. So they can take 4 beds, which is 8. Because
And the other one.
And then we say another one because there's a door here. We skip another one here because it will be a corridor to the other side. So here 16 and another one here, right?
For sure.
So let's say approximately this room can carry around, let's say 24.
They will be so congested.
They'll be so congested.
Maybe you said 4 bed. That
Four
is
bed,
8
eight,
kids.
another
And
four.
the other side 8. That is 16.
16.
Yeah. So
Maybe
that they can have a walking space
Yeah.
and a small table to put their books.
So 16 beds will be here. That will be 8 beds, guys.
For sure, yeah.
But we'll see how it will work. Maybe
Yeah.
it can carry a capacity of maybe 20.
Yeah.
Or
Maybe
even more.
maybe
or less.
20.
Yeah, maybe 20. But I'm really happy.
You are going
about
to
it,
try?
guys. This is your work. This is where
It's
your
God's work.
this is where your donation came in, guys. And
Yeah.
Now it's paid. Now it
Very,
can be
very
painted
nice,
now.
yeah.
Yeah.
Even Bishop is coming to see the room.
The room.
Yeah, he told me he is coming.
Yeah, we wanted him to come and pray for this room.
He told me
Yes.
he don't allow the kids to enter
Yes, until
half
they
of the
finish.
room.
Yes.
They want every room to be like this,
Yes.
and they will come, all the church members,
Yes.
to pray for this house.
Yeah, because
it
actually-
has passing with a lot of hands.
Yeah.
And they want to pray for the beds, for the rooms, and then it will be anointed house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because if maybe
We
put-
cannot anoint one room.
Yeah, and then the rest.
others.
And also my enemies feels that maybe there will be other boys will be feeling bad. Hey, those one have migrated to a new house and they
Yeah,
have left
with
us.
a new bed.
Yeah, with the new
Yeah,
beds
yeah.
and
They
have
will
left
put
us.
a jealousy to other boys.
So
Yeah.
it's better maybe.
It's good
my
to wait.
prayer is, guys, let us finish the other rooms so that
Yeah.
we can also, or at least it's been painted.
Yeah.
We can finish the other rooms.
For sure,
So
yeah.
for now we don't have money. The money that remained with
Yeah.
was 5,000. No, it was 21,700, and the donor said the money that you have remained with, kindly go buy mosquito nets.
Yeah.
The mosquito nets are
They're outside here.
so today, this was since yesterday night, right?
Yeah.
So they were rated. So this day today, I think Mama will be hanging them in every bed. Which
Yes.
is a very, very great way.
Yeah.
And also our prayer is to finish this because
This-
this one, with let me say approximately $600 to $700, approximately that.
Yeah.
We can buy cement
And sand.
And sand. It can be painted.
And grasses of the windows and doors.
So just like to be like this,
Yeah.
approximately $600 to $700.
Yeah.
We can paint. We can do what you call like
Plastering.
plaster the inner, put the concrete down.
Good.
Because this was already had concrete down. We can put concrete down.
Yeah.
Plaster here and make the other bricks up.
Yes.
So the remaining balance we can do maybe the window panes.
Yeah.
And then maybe paint.
Yeah,
So
for sure.
It's step by step.
Yeah, step by step.
Because with me, my idea is like I don't want to squander even a single cent. I want
For sure,
everything
yes.
to be here. So
Yeah.
if you are having maybe $1, $2, you can send it to Pastor Esther or anybody who you trust and say deliver it. And maybe you want it to be with Claude's hand.
Yeah.
Everything will be written down. Okay,
For
this,
sure, yes.
This donor sent this via this. So and this is how it has done the work.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me.
The
because
work
this-
is almost half.
Yeah.
Yeah, let us say half.
But this one it's 97 done, 97%.
It's
done
almost everything now from there.
from there.
Yeah, even they can sleep the way it is.
Yeah.
But we are still waiting to finish so
the
that
other
they
one.
can feel
Even
all
if
of
they
them.
come,
Yeah,
the
they will
bishop
feel
come,
so good.
Yeah, it will be better. So
Yeah.
guys, these are the mosquito nets that you saw on the previous video, and thank God I came that are here.
Yeah.
Today we have now brought a surprise to girls because now the boys were like, maybe the
Yeah,
girls were like,
they are feeling like
yeah, now
they are
today
more
we
loved more than girls.
have- but anyway, the
But
boys,
we balance
the girls also, so
all
today
of
is also
them.
another way for the boys to feel like, okay, yeah. So
For sure.
let's see, guys, because I don't want to show kids, but let's see what's happening,
Yeah.
and we'll be delivering what we have brought.
For
So
sure, yes.
thank you, and let's deliver what we have brought over here. All right, guys. Already, Cheyenne and Melo and my son have and Manu, they have already migrated with kids. They are socializing.
Let them just enjoy.
Let them enjoy. That's the fix. So let's guys see and deliver what we have. So guys, we have this. They are sanitary pads. Yeah. So guys, we wanna say how many girls we have, because this eight pack, every box, it says eight pieces. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 1 2 3. So let's see. All right, also this one here, we are unboxing this. Shikilia tu hivi. Sian, you can be somewhere here. That's my daughter, guys, don't worry. I just brought them to mingle with also kids here. So, I want to see this other box. So, also this one has to have the same. 1 2 3 4. Yeah. So 4, 1 2 3. Every box carries 4. So we also want to give it to Mama. Hey, Esther. We also want to give them to Mama, and Mama will tell us how many girls we have, maybe, or we see how it will be. And some of them are still in school, so the box you'll be supplying to them. You understand? Yeah. So, and also, guys, according to the rules of everything, you should be in at the back. Takuwa nyuma, kwa nyuma yao. Kwa nyuma sana eh. Sina ushika wote. Hivyo, si ndio? Uko sawa? So because of the let Manu come. So guys, because of the rules, the new rules that we because each and every person he has his or her own case. So we have been told that we should be giving them on their business because should be blinding the face. So Mama, so these girls will be presenting them, and we'll be keeping them for other girls. Yeah, Manu, you can have my phone and also you can be on the line. You can zoom in, zoom out. We just want to run your phone. Meleo, can zoom in, zoom out, and come here because of your voice. So we have this, and let us know how many we have. That is so better. So this one, this, and then you are a Manimima. Tell me those who go to the moon. Only in those who go to the moon. Oh, okay. Okay. They travel. They travel for moon. This is the second box over here. It's slowly by slowly. So when you are putting on, you are putting the camera. And this will serve you maybe for how many months? More months. And the remaining ones will be for those who are at school. So, the remaining boxes have them in here. Then another one will be here. Then we are remaining with the 3 in our house that are here. So maybe I can carry some, then we have a few this with this. So mom, picture a shaker.
Yeah.
So just like this, guys, and it's better. So how do we say thank you? Yes. Thank you so much. Hi. God bless you. Thank you. Alright guys, that's how it is.
God bless you so much. Welcome our God.
So utatuuza hizo sasa kwa boxi zenu, na the remaining one mama will keep for those who are at in school. Alright. So I am peleka kwa boxi zenu na hizi mama atatuuza. Guys, we have delivered and we have remained with 3 boxes. Show the box. Okay, there are boxes here. Come with. Show also, Mama. We have remained with this and this one's over here. So, Mom, maybe what can you say? What can you say? Maybe for the people who are watching us.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Yes.
And this is Pastor Esther
Yes.
from Noah's Watch TV Soul.
Yes.
You are touching my heart so much
Yes.
when you are supporting these kids.
Yes.
And it makes me feel like I'm not alone
Yes.
in this journey.
Yes.
We are here with Claude Joseph.
Yes.
God has given me a son just to support me,
Yes.
and I really appreciate. Even for the donor that's selling this money,
Yes.
may God add you more and more money.
Yes.
May God open more doors
Yes.
and even more blessings.
Yes, Mom.
I'm so grateful.
Yes.
I thank God.
Thank you,
Claude
Mom.
Joseph, God bless you so much.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you for having that good heart.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you even for giving me your wife
Yes.
to be like my a close friend.
Thank you,
I
Mom.
feel so
Actually,
blessed.
these were donated towards her.
Yeah.
And there's a friend of her who said, I want this to be taken to the orphanage. And she was like, because today she has a small baby. We have a small baby by the name Maria. And we were almost coming with her. If you watch this video by the starting, she was in the
So
car.
happy to welcome
Yeah.
Maria here.
Maria here. Sometimes
Yes.
we'll be with her.
And maybe to have a birthday.
A birthday.
together, yes.
Yeah,
Yes, for
that,
sure.
thank
I'm so
you.
happy even to see
I came
your
with
kids.
I came with my kids.
Yeah.
Melo, where's Marie? Where's
Shan.
Shan. She already. She's hey she, come. She has already started mingling with the kids over here. So at least she can come, mom. Yeah. So what was your take for you
I
having?
cannot
Yeah.
believe that you have such a big kid.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
is my daughter.
A boy,
And
a
that
girl,
girl.
and
Yeah.
small girl.
Yeah.
God bless you. God bless your family.
Thank you, mom.
And may God protect you
Yeah.
every day and every night.
Yes.
And may God fight all your battles. I know you are fighting a lot of
Very,
battles.
very, mom.
I know you are passing a lot of challenges.
Yes, mom.
Even the time you started to support this home, a lot of jealousy people following you.
Yes.
But I'm praying so much that God will cover you.
Thank you.
No one will touch you, no one will touch your family.
Yes.
I'm praying for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm also praying for you. And daughter, what can you say? Say thank you, the grandma is here. Yeah, you know, my heart is maybe someday when I teach them this way. Some days when they grow up, they'll be like, hey, Dad used to take us on stage like this, so that also they can also proclaim the good work, evangelize the good work, and also they know that things are not okay sometimes, but we keep on pushing. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'm really happy for your blessing and for the one who donated this. May Almighty God bless you. Where you took it from, may it maybe triple or multiply for that. Maybe one day also you might visit this place alone and say, okay, we have really joined hands towards this. So be blessed, all guys, and anyone who feel like he wants to donate in a good way, you can reach to Pastor Esther or anybody who you trust, and it will be delivered. As long as you say, okay, you have delivered it, take it from Joseph. I'll write down and everything will be as you want. So God bless you and thank you so much, guys. Bye.
God bless you so much.
All right.